Okay, the Gerber Freeman folding knife. Now I've had this knife for years and years and years and years. It's been sitting in my my daysack for forever and a day, you know, and I never used it at all. It's just there for a matter of course, just in case I need to use it. I might have cut a bit of string with it, I don't even know, can't remember. I can't even remember buying it, okay? And I don't even know if I had a sheath with it either, so I just can't remember. But anyway, I'm just going to cover a few points, and then I'm going to do some feather sticks, because if you can do feather sticks, you can make a fire and all that. But if it does feather sticks, it can cut through, it could take the coat off a rabbit's back as well, if you like, okay? Even a deer, probably, you could slice it down. Can't chop bone with it, you know, and it's best not to batten with it because it's a folder. Yeah, so I'll go through a few points. Now, the engineering is absolutely fantastic. The way that goes in, like that, it's locker, it locks, but there's no play in that whatsoever, nothing at all. It's absolutely fantastic in that respects. And also that you can hold it with your two fingers in there, like, and the two fingers in there, hold it like that. You can hold it the other way, so put your web of your thumb and forefinger in there and hold it like that. And you probably, yeah, you can hold it like that, the ice pick hold as well, or the reverse hold. So two fingers in there, two fingers in that one, look, and hold it like that as well. Okay, it's really ergonomic because that wooden bit is nicely rounded off, and it's smooth as well. It's not grippy or anything, so you're not going to get a lot of you are not going to get any blisters on your hands with this. You know, it's nice and smooth. I don't think you could hold it like that. I don't think so, because that is digging in when I squeeze on it. You know, I don't think so. It wouldn't be very good, even though it's clipped at the end there for ease of stabbing, what you want to stab. But I think that's digging in. Let's have a. Oh yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Ooh. Yeah, so that's digging in. So you can't hold it like that, but you can hold it the other ways, okay? Now, what I'm going to do also is do some feather sticks, because if you can do feather sticks, you can make a fire anyway, but if you can cut feather sticks, you could take the coat off a rabbit's back, all right, as well. You can cut through flesh and the fur as well. You probably cut through deer and cut it down as well, you know, cut it into bits or slice it down, but not you won't go through bone, you know, but you shouldn't really batten with it, you know, but because it's a folder. But that's all I'll do, just to show that it's a good knife, you know. And I'm really glad I bought it, actually. I didn't realize how good it was until I looked it up on the internet. And it is. I come to think of it now, I'm conscious of it now. It's a really good flipping knife. And it's been sitting there in my rucksack doing nothing for ages, for years and years. Probably back in the day when I was with Breakaway Survival School, before the internet. Anyway, I'll just get on with it and see how it goes. I'll have a go at lighting the feather sticks as well, because I'm like that. But yeah, I'll see how it goes, and I'll give you I'll tell you how it feels in the hand if anything's digging in. Okay, so there you go, that's that. Well, it's all right, you know, it does a good job, but the rope was digging into my fingers there. I was hurting a bit, so I took it off, and then I was pressing down on that, and that was hurting a bit in there because it's sort of a 90-degree sort of cut, you know, but it's not sharp or anything, so that was digging in. I think you need gloves really for a bit of padding. But yeah, it's just digging in across there because it's not rounded off. It's not sharp, but it's 90 degrees, isn't it? You know. So I'll try it with my thumb over it. Let's do a different one. Oh, you bugger. No. Yeah. I'll just get me gloves a minute. God. Oh, bloody hell. Oh. There you are, the old dog still got it. Well, that's what I like to think anyway. I might as well say it because nobody else will say it, so there you go. Okay, what do I think of this knife? Well, it's absolutely brilliant, but it was hurting the inside of my hand by there when I was doing feather sticks, and I had to get my gloves on. But I think it's perfect, except these, I think these bits of the bits of wood there should cover right to the corner across there, and not that, see that sliver of lit silver, it's not quite up to the top, so maybe that wooden bit should be right to the top there, not over, not under like it is, but just on the top. Okay, and the same on the other side. So that's all I got to say, except as per usual, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.